Surat aku tulis sampai di dada. Ngana kira tamu cemburu dengan apa pasangan baru.
All these R&B niggas be so lame. Got a sweet Asian chick, she gon' roll me. You know me, you know me.
3 hours later.
Tay. Apa ya daga?
Bargain, lahat ng klase, 75 na lang, 75. Mga slim,
Pimay mo sir? Pimay, pimay. Ha?
mga kanan bag, 75 na lang, 75. Mga shorts, leggings, 75 na lang, 75. Bargain na lang klase, 75.
First time pinanoanin natin dito ko sa front aray minions. Dagan-dagan magtawa na eh. So last year wako kukuha na rin. Para. Right. Sayaw. One time. Kara. From Tauga Mas Priskil yun. Oh sorry, ya libre. Oke, libre daw. Libre ko na, dali. Picture mga Tauga ba. si Brad Darwin Rito. Video. From plus one. London. Hi, ma'am. Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay. Video ngayon. Okay. Okay, salamat.
A few moments later.
SK Chairman and Maria Barol together with our SK Chairman. Thank you so much. And our SK officials, nagagayang salamat. Barangay Taloto, Tribo Taloto, Anon, Malakpakan.
So kami niyan sa mga bisita namin niyan. So paabot-abot na kasi
And
mga gawas.
announce the
meeting
arrival
mo
of
tayo
the
rin.
Tourism Secretary.
We are right here, ladies and gentlemen, in the CPG Sports Complex of Tacloban City as we are celebrating sa Ulo 2024 Street Dancing and, of course, Virtual Showdown Competition.
Maayong gabi, Tagbilaran! Most honored guests, our keynote speaker, Department of Tourism Secretary, Cristina Garcia Frasco. Let's give her a round of applause, please. Give her a warm Tagbilaran welcome. Ug karbo na kong ikasulti nga na classmate niya nako ni sa law school. So let's give her a warm of applause. Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco. Distinguished Senator Ivy Marcos. Ato po tagal na si Pangpangpang. Led by SK Federated President Adrian Clark Bandiha, City Hall Department Head, Chief of Police Bong Sayon, participants in tonight's grand event, mga igsoon kong Tagbilaranon sa tibuok kalibutan, maayong gabi kanatong tanan. Happy Fiesta Tagbilaran! Viva Señor San Jose! Viva! It is my honor and pleasure to welcome each and every one of you tonight to the grandest and most spectacular sa Ulo Tagbilaran street dancing and ritual showdown.
Let's go! My stupid heart.